struggling with business reports for your filling station and gas station? JT POS software gives you insights instantly.
For your gas station and filling station or gas selling point, the JT POS software also got you covered. So I'm going to be creating some products. I'll come under the product tab. I'll add product. The first product I'll be adding will be gas. I'm adding gas. I'll give it a code of GS. I'll save this. I will add another product, maybe fuel. I'll call this fuel. I'll give it a code of FL. I'll save this product. I'll add another product, maybe diesel. I'll give it a code of DL. I'll save this also. I'll also add another product, maybe engine oil. Also, I'll create a code for it, maybe EO. I'll save this product, and I'll create another product, maybe cylinder, for sales of cylinder. Then I'll give it a code CR. I'll save this. So I have created 5 products: gas, fuel, diesel, engine oil, and also cylinder. I'll now head on to service list, and on the service list I'm going to be creating some services. So the first service I want to create is in kilogram, and I'll give it a code kg. I'll save this. I'll create another service, maybe liter. I'll give it a code of L. I'll save this. Then I'll create another service, maybe for cylinder, that's for sales of cylinder. Now maybe 6 kg. I'll call this 6 kg. Then I'll save this. I can create another one for sales of maybe 12.5 kg cylinder. 12.5 kg. I'll also give it that same code of 12.5 kg, and I'll save. Now it's time for us to create our final services. So I will select gas, and the service code for gas is going to be in kg. We're going to be selling in kg, and we're going to enter the price. Let's assume the price for gas, let's say 1.5. So I'll put a service price of 1.5. I'll save this. I'll create another service price, maybe fuel. I'll say 1 liter is maybe 950 per liter. I'll save this. I'll select diesel. The service price is going to be in liter also. Let's assume the price also is let's say 890. I'll save this as a price for diesel. Then I can create price for sales of cylinder. I'll select cylinder. I can say 6 kg cylinder, 20,000. I'll save this. Then I'll also create price for cylinder again. Cylinder, that's a 12.5 kg cylinder, and I'm going to save this. I have succeeded in creating 5 products: 1 for sales of gas, fuel, diesel, 6 kg cylinder, and 12.5 kg cylinder. And these are the amount of this product. Now if you check the list under the action button, we have 3 buttons. The first is edit, which you can use to edit this price. Let's assume we want to change the price from 1.5 to maybe 1.4. We can do this and update the price. Then immediately after the edit button, you have the add quantity. So this is where we're going to be adding the supply list of products that will supply to us. Let's assume, like for your gas, you can see that the quantity is 0 kg. You don't have any quantity in stock. So we're going to go ahead and use gas as an example to make it easier. We can do this for any of these products, but I will just be using gas so that it's going to be easier. So I'll click on add quantity. So let's assume we are supplied. So we have our existing quantity is 0, supplied by, let's assume we are supplied from depot. Then you can put the name, maybe the name of the company that supplies you. Let's assume it's GLG. You can enter any details of the transaction, maybe the invoice number of it, whatever you want to enter there, but I will just enter depot GNG. Then what's the quantity that they are supplying us? Let's assume they supplied us 500 kg. So 500 kg was purchased. So we'll update our quantity. Okay, you can now see that our gas, we now have a quantity of 500 kg. We have 500 kg. So you can also enter the quantity of all of these other products. Let's assume they are supplying you 11,000 liters of fuel. You can also add those quantity. Let me do another one. Let's assume cylinder, your 12 kg cylinder, you have a quantity of 10, you purchase 10, it was supplied by, let's just say the name of the company is Ray Cylinder, and you can enter any details you want to enter, and we purchase 10, so we have 10 in stock. You can update stock. So for your 12.5 kg cylinders, you have 10 in stock. So having done this, we can now make sales for gas and cylinder. So let's use this tool as a case study for our filling station or gas business. So once we head over to our home page for sales, then I can select the customer that is buying this, John Doe. Let's use John Doe. Doesn't have any any account balance, or let's use in a working for this transaction. Let's use in a working customer using J1. Let's assume we don't have details for this customer. We're going to search and it's going to bring out a working customer. This customer does not have any details with us. So he wants to buy, let's assume he's buying a new cylinder from us. You select this, and he's buying a 12 kg cylinder. I can add this to cart. He's buying one. Then aside that, also he's going to be buying gas. I'll select gas and add this to cart. If you're buying, let's assume you want to buy 12 kg. So automatically you can see that the price for this 12 kg has been calculated alongside the cylinder money, and it's paying. Let's assume he's doing transfer. We can leave it at transfer. We're not giving this customer any discount. If you want to give the customer a discount, you can enter the discount. For the total amount is 68,800. 66,800. So it's paying in full. Once we confirm that everything is okay, that this customer is buying this our 12.5 kg cylinder and is buying gas worth 12 kg, and everything has been certified okay, you can go ahead and generate receipt. You can generate receipt for this transaction for this customer. You can see your company's name can appear here, the address, phone number, the invoice number is going to show. The name is a working customer, account number, and you can see all these things. We have the delivery date, so we can go ahead and add today. He's taking this thing, he's taking it today, so we can fix in today's date and regenerate this receipt. It's going to fill in today's date, so you can see that delivery date has been updated to today. Once you're satisfied that everything is okay, you can go ahead and save this transaction. Yes, so after saving this transaction, you can print a receipt for this customer. So this is the thermal receipt for this customer. You can see everything is captured on the receipt. He's buying a cylinder of 12.5 kg, gas worth 12 kg. You can see the total amount of this transaction. Everything is captured. He doesn't have any balance. There was no discount. He paid in full, and the mode of payment was transfer. And this was done by me. So you can go ahead and print for a receipt or a hard copy receipt for this customer, or you can generate a PDF that you can forward to this customer. So I'm going to cancel this. There are many other features we're going to look at, but let's take a look at some few. Okay, let's go back to our service. If we now come back to our service list, remember that this customer has already bought 12 kg from us, and he bought one cylinder. So if you go back to our service list, you can now see that the quantity has changed. You can now see that you have 488 kg left because 12 kg has been bought. Then for cylinder, you can now see that you now have 9. Why? Because one cylinder was sold, you now have 9 in stock. Then you can come under report to track what is happening. You can come under product report. I come under product report and select all product and select the date 10th to 10th, and I click on search. It is going to bring out all product report. So you can see that on this day, our cylinder 12 kg from this invoice, we have a balance of 10, which was old. We have sold one, and our new balance is 9. So you can now see that it's going to be showing you that from invoice 057, before the transaction, we have 500 kg of gas in our tank. We sold 12 kg. We are now left with 488 kg, and you can see that the date and the time for this transaction was captured. So you can now trail anything that is happening. If you come under report, supply report, you can select supply report from on the 10th. So on the 10th, it's going to show you all the supply that came in, and if I click on search product, it's going to bring out all the supplies that we received from the customized date. So supply report from 10th to 10th is now showing us that this product gas with a code of kg was supplied by depot from CNG, As at the time they supplied, we had an old quantity of 0. They supplied us 500 kg, that now made our new quantity to be 500. Then also on the same date, they also supplied cylinder. We got a supply of cylinder, 12.5 kg cylinder from Real Cylinder. As at the time they are supplying, we don't have any quantity in stock, so they supplied us 12.5 kg cylinder. So you can see that this software is robust and is up to the task to help you manage your gas or filling station business. For more details on this software, you can contact us and you'll be glad you did.
Features: track multiple customer orders efficiently, provide clear invoices, charge per item, store customer details, offer repeat service discounts, accept cash, POS, transfers, check, manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, J Technology Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, J Technology Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JT POS Software.